As we're doing, we're going to show you guys how to work this MOGS machine that we got from NOVAIR. It's pretty simple to use. Power button, turn it on, push to start, manual start. You'll hear the motor kick on. We'll open up our main O2 tank. So we have 2 K cylinders back here. We'll open up this tank, and then it'll take the oxygen from the atmosphere, compress it down, and then fill these 2 tanks. And then from these 2 tanks, it'll trickle down to these smaller tanks where we're going to fill these cylinders. So first thing we're doing, we're going to open this blast chamber. Quick little lever. Secure the tank just like you do a normal regulator. Got an O-ring on there. Make sure everything's closed, lead valve closed. Pop that open. Set it in the chamber. You fill 2 at a time, so we'll do 2 at the same time. The valves are closed. Pop that open. Put that chamber back up. So from there, we got about 2,200 PSI. So we'll fill 1 tank at a time. This pressure will drop as it fills the tank. Opens wide open. Watch it increase. And then they start to balance back out. So we've got over 2,000 pounds of air in this first tank. Shut that one down. From there, we'll open our second tank. Same thing, it'll drop down and the gauges will balance back out. Also above 2,000. Break that back down. So now that we got both our tanks filled, we're going to go ahead and remove them. 1 at a time. Pull one out. Shut down the tank. Bleed valve, you might want to use some hearing protection, but it's a slow bleed. Watch the air PSI drop in the line. Good to go. 1 tank. Bring it over here. Put a little cap on it, dust cap. Make sure nothing gets in there. Slides right over the top. And it's good to go. Same thing with the next one. Shut it down. Lead valve. Good to go. Close that. Set it back down. Seal it up. Just like that. You got your own oxygen tanks filled, ready to go. Goes up the chamber. So we can fill about 10 to 15 tanks with this amount of pressure inside these tanks. As you fill, obviously the tanks are going to start to lower the pressure. But you just keep the machine running, it'll build that pressure back up. And once you're done filling, we'll leave the machine running for maybe about an hour or 2. It'll kick back up to maybe about anywhere from 1,800 to 2,200, and we like to shut it off there. And then from there, you don't even have to turn it on to fill some more tanks. You can do it while the machine's not running, but we like to make sure these tanks are full at all times. That's pretty much it.